Hi, we've just finished a session of different panels about innovations, where lean sits within Industry 4.0, but I was quite positively surprised that we also touched the topics such as drones and their use in the, for example, location definition of new facilities, which is a part of connected world. We can't even say about it in this way. So I was really surprised by the topics and the content, and also the panelists from various different industries. We had companies from automotive sector, but also from the lighting sector, some services, etc. So I was really pleased with the content, and I really enjoyed the fact of being here. Thank you very much, Craig. Thank you, all the organizers, and hopefully we'll meet each other next year. Thank you.